Those houses are 2 houses to the left and the right. All the depending on the width of the house store. Smaller the window, larger the house. To the left one, 6 grand. Residential house.